my channel.
Might as well say our channel now.
Yeah, she's like a part-time part of the channel. But so if you're new to my channel, my name is Naz. This is my cousin Marion. You can go well with her name, but whatever. So today I'm actually filming an office makeover. So let me show you guys the state of my office right now. It's pretty much just practical, to be honest. Yeah, I have my computer, I have my lighting, basically everything, but I'm trying to have like a background.
All these walls look sad and depressing.
Yeah, they are actually.
I never realized how plain it is.
Yeah, so we're gonna try to work with what we have. I don't wanna go wild because eventually I wanna have like a big mirror, I wanna have coat rack, yeah. So that's for future plans, but for now I just wanna have something nice for like my background when I'm doing chit chat videos or whatever. So this is today's video. She's basically going to be my assistant, so
for the day. We are going to be hitting up HomeSense / Winners.
Yeah, we're gonna start with Dollarama because we're that cheap.
Oh, of course. Gotta shop smart on a budget.
So we're gonna get some stuff from Dollarama. If we don't find what we're looking for, we're gonna go to Walmart, and then of course HomeSense.
Yeah.
And yeah, I have a gift card from Sumaya.
Oh yeah, my sister.
So shout out to you, Sumaya. She always watches my videos, by the way.
I feel like, do they remember
what?
Sumaya?
No, I don't think they know her.
Apparently.
But yeah, so that's the plan for today. Again, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe.
Don't forget to like, share, all that jazz. I forgot, it's been a while.
Yeah, so that's the plan for today, guys. Some light, what do we call it? Team light skin.
I can't relate, but damn,
it's actually really cold.
The sun is hitting right, but it's all an illusion. It's freezing.
Yeah. Welcome to Canada.
So we just got to Dollarama, and of course, the first thing she gets isn't even on the list.
Those things are so cute.
We're not in here for any of this.
I know, but you know me and cooking.
Yeah, we all know.
Focus.
We're not even in the right aisle.
No, we're not.
Now this is my favorite aisle. All of this. My favorite cleaning product is Pine Sol. Specifically this one. What is that for? Papers?
Anything.
Is that where you're gonna use it for?
I don't know. You can
in your office?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can use it for papers.
Maybe one?
Yeah, like mail and stuff too. That'll be cute. What are you using this for?
You know, for the desk?
What desk? Oh, the big white dresser organizer thingy.
Yeah. Do you think this is too big?
I think it's kind of too wide, like this way. Like it's length up and down. With
like that, huh?
Length, yeah.
For some reason I feel like it's good enough. How much is it? $4.
So I would say get one because this is Dollarama and they don't do returns.
They don't do returns?
Yeah.
Really?
Dollarama doesn't do returns.
And if I don't like it?
That's too bad.
Okay, but one does not make sense.
Yeah, but imagine if it doesn't fit. Do you have anything else to use it for?
Let me vision. For some reason, I feel like it's gonna fit. Like the cupboard is not that. It's not smaller than this.
Okay.
Okay.
So we're thinking of switching out the curtains in the office, right?
Yeah. So this is nice.
It's gonna give it like a sheer.
Yeah, it's gonna be cleaner and brighter than the one I have. Is this the thing you write your like letters in?
Yeah, little messages. Sumaya has that. This is what the cart's looking like so far.
think this is cute.
You know, from
Or
far,
like-
you don't really see the detail. It's just gonna be blurry, so.
I need, what's that marble tree called again? That's exactly what it looks like. I don't know if your subscribers know what I'm talking about, but everyone was sad when he died. And this one looks like he's gonna die too, cause look. Cause it's sticking out. We are about to cash out. This is what the cart's looking like. And obviously we can't get Nasteha out of here even though they don't have what she wants. What are you drinking there? No, that's not cute at all. You want your office to look like, I was gonna say, unless you want your office to look like St. Patrick's Day all year. What is that you have in your hand?
My favorite iced tea. Peach is the best.
Pure Leaf specifically. So guess where we are, just by the looks of the mirror. You guys can guess it's Home Sense.
Yeah. Everything has, well, it's winter, but
Yeah.
winter content. Everything.
This is
they have
Nasteha's
is
second home. These frames are so cute. I love like elegant and like dainty stuff like this. And like antique looking stuff like this. What are you looking at right now? Are candles on your to-do list?
No.
I think we should be going this way. These are so cute. They look so real. Oh my god, these ones too. These ones look a little too fake. I love this. And if these were like real flowers that were like slowly fading away. Oh, that reminds me of a snake in the inside. But also cute. Oh, I love this. Look at this, the structure.
Yeah. Out of budget.
And that one. Looks like we're in a garden right now. Shit. I think she found something she likes.
What about this?
Well, that's very elegante.
And
Elegant.
it's cheaper. It's $13.
Wow, I wish I had somewhere to put this. This is so pretty.
Okay, I'm gonna get this one.
I was looking at this, guys, and I was telling her it makes me want to drink water like right now. The way it's just the shape, I don't know how to explain it. It's just so satisfying. The way it just goes, well, this goes deeper than I thought. It's a whole illusion. Oh,
Oh my gosh.
Nasteha, what does that remind you of?
The one I have?
I don't know if they've ever seen it.
Check this. What about, well, they don't really, what about those two like that?
Yeah, I like how they're a bit different.
Yeah, it's
But
not
also
the same
similar.
color. Like this one is 13, this one is 13. So at least we have like some staple pieces for the background.
Winners should just sponsor you.
This is so, I should use this for my pencils instead of the other ugly ass one.
Is this a rated E channel or?
Oh, this is so cute. I serve for my table.
That is very cute. Do they have another one?
For work?
I want one. I know. I don't.
For work.
I don't have a home to decorate. And we're done with Home Sense. Are you excited with your purchases?
Yeah. Oh my god, you're
She's more focused on getting to the cart.
So we just came home, guys. Well, we came to my house. So yeah, so we have all the bags here. So right now what we're gonna do, we're just gonna do like a speed arrangement footage. I don't know what to say. But anyway, so we're gonna move this here.
I don't know why I'm mute.
I don't know. Because this will be my background.
And center this.
Yeah, center this. So just FYI, I got this
table. It's like really big and so pretty. I got it from Marketplace on Facebook. It was $80 for this big ass table. And this is it's a typical one that everybody has from IKEA. I think it's about like $160 if you buy it from IKEA, but I got it also from the Marketplace for only $40. So before you buy anything, guys, try to check Kijiji or Marketplace or all those places, because you're gonna save a lot of money. So yeah, a little bit to the left.
Really?
Okay.
Like that?
Yeah, I guess.
I think it'd be more productive if I took the tape off the back.
Yep. A little bit more to the middle, like, you know how like you're not center right now? You're not center.
I am not?
No,
It looks centered.
come back. Like it has to be centered to this, right?
No, it has to be centered to your wall because look, the heat.
Hi, okay. Go.
Up to you. Tell me how it looks.
Okay, just put it. I actually want it to be random anyways.
Okay. So does it look straight though?
Yeah. And there's, yeah, okay, perfect.
Okay.
So in case you guys wonder, this is me, this is my little sister, and this is not Mariam, another cousin of ours.
I should have been there, but
And this is New York City 2016.
I wish I was in this.
Okay,
Can we add a little like picture of me in the corner here?
cartoon version. Okay, and here we have all the diplomas.
Someone and all their achievements.
Oh my god, let me show you guys my official certification for
You know
health
she's
coach.
passionate when she's more excited about this
Yeah.
instead of her
definitely.
masters
I don't
and her
care.
bachelor's.
I swear. But okay, so this you can just put it randomly.
Like right here.
Yeah.
Since you have 4, it'll be kind of cute if you put one here, there, and there.
Yeah, but I don't have 4 right now.
That's the thing. Let the YouTubers know this one's pending.
Yeah, but it's gonna be in the other house,
Oh.
right? So, anyways,
When she eventually moves, probably.
yeah, I just put them randomly. Hopefully it stays up, guys.
Oh, inshallah, bismillah.
No, I don't want it to be too. I want it to be random. So yeah, maybe like that.
There?
Yeah.
Bismillah.
We bought the cheap ones from Dorama.
Oh wow, it's actually the.
It's working?
Seems like it.
Okay, alhamdulillah. One, maybe not right under, like just like move it a little, move it towards the, yeah,
Like that?
yeah, it's fine.
Like that?
Yep. Just making sure.
Gotta secure the bag.
Okay, little. Okay, so the wall is coming together.
Oh.
Yeah, it's too heavy though.
So, what do you think of those 2 bags, guys? Really cute, huh?
They're
I think
so
this is
pretty.
random though. Like they need to see the detailing.
Yeah, and they were only like, I think this was 19 and this was 13. I feel like this is random, but whatever.
I think it kind of goes with the whole plant vibe and everything.
And for this plant, I'm just gonna try to like move it around the table.
It's coming together. How are you feeling about it?
Oh, it feels so good. I wanted to do this for the longest time.
Finally gonna have like proper thinking space. I might even come over here to think. Don't forget
What do you
to
think, chick?
relax, laugh, and breathe. Relax, eh?
What do you think?
It's cute.
Okay, okay.
All right.
So I wanted to get 4 boxes, but we only had, what, 3? They're all from Dollarama, $4. So I'm eventually gonna get one for here, I guess.
Shopping on a budget. And
yeah, so this is the background.
this is what you guys are gonna be seeing in her videos now. Stand right
the
here.
wall of
Achievements.
achievements. There's missing one for my nutrition.
Since I'm not in this, we're just gonna put a frame of me up there.
Oh my god, no, please.
Right there. So every time I'm not in a video and you guys miss me, I'll be in that top corner.
Okay.
Can you Photoshop a picture of me in this clip?
No. Okay, so now we need to do this side. So this side is pretty simple.
It's actually much more see-through than I thought it would be.
Yeah, that's why I was like, stuff. The chair here, I got it from Amazon a long time ago, but I'm gonna try to share it with you guys. I don't think it's the best chair for an office because it doesn't really move. So that's why I'm not really, like, I like the design, but I'm definitely going to change it soon. So this is the final result. And then here, of course, the curtains are just white. The reason is that it really needs to get like some natural lighting, but this is the final result, guys. Let me know how you guys find it. If you have more recommendation for like for a carpet, let me know. I'm thinking white, but then again, it's not really clean friendly. Oh yeah, before I forget, this is also a light. This is from Kijiji's typical. So I just turned this on at night, and yeah, but I really like my background. I really wanted to just focus on my background, so this is what you're gonna see from now on in my videos. So this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope I gave you some inspiration for your office. Again, this is not finished, so you will see some updated office tour.